You can order the rear bumper reinforcement used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Pull on the trunk release handle and open the trunk. In order to change the rear bumper reinforcement on your vehicle, you will need to remove the rear bumper cover to have full access. In the wheel arches, using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws holding the rear bumper cover to the rear fender and body. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a T30 or 5mm Allen socket, unscrew the bumper cover retaining bolt. Do the same on the other side. Using a fork, remove the 2 rivets holding the bumper cover. You can now unclip the rear bumper cover from the bumper retainers. The rear bumper cover is now free. You can remove it, preferably with help from a second person. Remove the bumper absorber. You now have access to the rear bumper reinforcement of your vehicle. You can now see the 6 bumper reinforcement retaining bolts. Start by unscrewing the 4 outer bolts using a ratchet, an extender, and a 12mm socket. Using the same tools, loosen the 2 inner bolts. Hold the bumper reinforcement with your hand to prevent it from falling. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Next, fully unscrew the 2 inner retaining bolts. You can now remove the rear bumper reinforcement. You can order the rear bumper reinforcement used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Put the bumper reinforcement in place. Then screw in the 6 retaining bolts. Finish the tightening of the bolts with a torque wrench. Put the bumper absorber in place. If you want to know which parts and tools we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. Put the rear bumper cover back in place by its central part first. Then reattach each side to the bumper cover retainers. Screw the retaining bolts back on at the trunk. Screw the 4 rear bumper cover retaining screws back onto the body and fender. Under the vehicle, put the rivets back in place. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Operation complete.